Hi there, Bridget Mackay here. I'm an attorney in Petaluma practicing in estate planning and elder law. And I want to talk to you today about how dementia gets diagnosed. Dementia is a general form of memory loss that interferes with your daily life. That's the basic definition of it. Within dementia, there are several forms of it, the most common being Alzheimer's disease. It accounts for 60 to 80% of dementia cases. And then there's also vascular dementia, which occurs after a stroke, which is the second most common form of dementia. There is no one test to determine if someone has dementia. Doctors diagnose based on medical history, a physical exam, lab tests, and characteristic changes in thinking, functioning, and behavior. They get this information not just from a patient, but also maybe family members. And if they bring them in for an examination, they can perform two tests in their office if needed. They are the Mini Mental State Exam, the MMSE, and the Mini Cog. The Mini Mental has a total score of 30 points and is a series of questions designed to test a range of everyday mental skills. A score of 20 to 24 is considered mild dementia, 13 to 20 is moderate dementia, and less than 12 indicates severe dementia. The Mini Cog test is where a person is asked to complete two tasks. The first task is to remember and a few minutes later repeat the names of three common objects that are given to them. The second task is to draw a face of a clock showing all 12 numbers in the right places and a time specified by the examiner giving them. Oftentimes, doctors use the results from one or both of these tests to lead to further testing. And that's when you find out if you have Alzheimer's or a different form of Alzheimer's, because within Alzheimer's, there's several different forms of it that show up differently. So if you or a loved one have been diagnosed with dementia, it's important you meet with an experienced attorney who can help you prepare your estate to make the smoothest transitions for your spouse and loved ones as the disease progresses.